Good afternoon, guys. Today we'll be asking some people some questions that if they are in a spiritual battle, how does their gun sound or how does their weapon sound? So follow me, let's go. How are you?
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How was today's service?
It was fine, sir.
Very, very fine, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
If you are in a spiritual battle, how does your weapon sound?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Now, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
How was today's service?
It was good.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. If you are in a spiritual warfare, how does your weapon sound?
That's what it sounds.
Thank you so much. God bless you. How are you doing, sir?
Fine, sir.
How was today worship and wonder service?
It was awesome. It was awesome.
Okay, sir, I just want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, if you are in a spiritual battle, how does your weapon sound?
Wow. Kalos Kavarios Kipai. Poronia Teunka Epai. Tato Miliana.
Oh, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Very, very fine, sir.
Okay, sir, I just want to ask you a question, sir.
No problem, sir. You can go on, sir.
Sir, if you are in a spiritual battle, how does your weapon sound, sir?
Do you want to hear it?
Yes, sir.
Kalembris Kabele Diachai. Kalesh Shigabai.
How are you doing, sir?
Fine, sir.
How was worship and wonder service?
It was wonderful, sir. I was blessed in it, sir.
Wow, glory to God. I just want to ask you a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you are in a spiritual battle, how does your weapon sound?
Sounds something like this. Shakandus Takaria Kadumba.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Hello, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
How was today's service?
It was powerful. Supernatural,
Okay, I just have a question for you guys. If you are in the spiritual warfare, how does your weapon sound?
Sir, must I?
Yes, express yourself, man.
In Jesus. La caca. That's
La caca. Okay, so what have you, sir?
Sentere, brother. They say sister Ibu.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, sir.
How was the service today?
It was powerful.
Okay, ma. I just have a question for you guys.
All right.
If you are in a spiritual warfare, how does your weapon sound? I would like to hear how your weapon sound, man.
La katabo shakata handebo sha.
Ma, I would like to hear your weapon sound also. Thank you so much, man. We have defeated the devil already.
Yeah.
I just want to ask you a question, man. Okay, ma. If you're in a spiritual battle, how does your weapon sound?
Masotara do shata bade kuma himana ta yana masafaya do.